Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chuck M. Casimio. In behalf of Group 4, I will present to you the Bar Q&A for Civil Law. Here's the question. On May 1, 1978, Facundo married Petra, by whom he had a son, Sotero. Petra died on July 1, 1996, while Facundo died on January 1, 2002. Before his demise, Facundo had married on July 1, 2000, Quercia. Having lived together as husband and wife since July 1, 1990, Facundo and Quercia did not secure a marriage license but executed the requisite affidavit for the purpose. To ensure that his inheritance rights are not adversely affected by his father's second marriage, Sotero now brings a suit to seek a declaration of the nullity of the marriage of Facundo and Quercia, grounded on the absence of a valid marriage license. Quercia contends that there was no need for a marriage license in view for her having lived continuously with Facundo for 5 years before their marriage, and that Sotero has no legal personality to seek a declaration of nullity of the marriage since Facundo is now deceased. Is the marriage of Facundo and Quercia valid despite the absence of a marriage license? Explain. Here's the suggested answer. The marriage with Quercia is void. The exemption from the requirement of a marriage license under Article 34 Family Code requires that the man and woman must have lived together as husband and wife for at least 5 years and without any legal impediment to marry each other during those 5 years. The cohabitation of Facundo and Quercia for 6 years from 1990 to July 1, 1996, when Petra died, was one with a legal impediment, hence not in compliance with the requirement of law. On other hand, the cohabitation thereafter until the marriage on July 1, 2000, although free from legal impediment, did not meet